If you're seeing a Godaddy error 401, don't worry. In most cases, this is a simple access or session issue and you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the fastest steps to troubleshoot the problem so you can get back into your account or page without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, start with the easiest fix, refresh the page. Sometimes a 401 error appears because the page didn't load correctly or your session timed out for a moment. Press refresh and see if the page reloads normally. If it does, that may be all you needed. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores old data that can conflict with Godaddy login sessions or website access. Open your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear cached files and cookies. After that, close this browser completely, reopen it, and try the page again. This often fixes authentication errors that keep coming back. Now make sure you are using the correct website URL. A 401 error can happen if you're trying to access the wrong page, an outdated link, or a URL that has changed. Double check the address in the browser bar and confirm that you're on the official Godaddy site or the exact page you intended to open. Even a small mistake in the URL can cause access problems. If that still doesn't work, log out of your Godaddy account and then log back in again. This helps reset your session and re-authenticate your account. Sometimes the login token expires or becomes invalid, and signing out fully before signing back in can restore access. After logging in again, return to the page and see if the error is gone. If you've gone through all of these steps and the error continues, try opening the site in a different browser or an Incognito window. That can help confirm whether the issue is related to saved browser data or extensions. If the page works there, the problem is likely with your regular browser settings. So to quickly recap, the main fixes for Godaddy error 401 are refresh the page, clear browser cache and cookies, verify the URL, and log out and log back in. These simple steps solve most 401 access issues without needing anything complicated. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.